Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Ivan Saric and Elisabeth Paehtz. This is a game from European Individual Chess Championship played in 2017. Played with the black pieces, Elisabeth Paehtz is Germany's women's chess champion. Ivan Saric had white pieces and he started with e4. Elisabeth Paehtz played e6. d4, d5, the French defense. Knight to c3, bishop to b4, pinning the knight, Winawer variation. e5, c5, attacking white center. a3, asking a question, but the bishop was not in a mood to talk, so he just killed the knight. How to recapture? Just kidding. b takes on c3. Knight to e7, the most played move. Queen to g4, attacking the pawn on g7. c takes on d4. The three most played moves are queen to c7, castling kingside, and king to f8. Elisabeth Paehtz played c takes on d4. Queen takes on g7, rook to g8, attacking the queen. Queen takes pawn on h7. Queen to c7, knight to e2, defending the pawn. On c3, d takes on c3, f4, defending the pawn on e5. Knight from b to c6, white to move. How would you continue? Now watch this very interesting strategy by Saric, starting with h4. What is the purpose of this move? Can you see the purpose? The game continued. d4, h5, b6, h6, bishop to b7. Black intends to castle queenside, and then to play perhaps d3. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Saric played this amazing move. Queen takes rook on g8, check. Did you see this one coming? Knight takes queen. What else? h7. And now you can understand Ivan's plan. Paehtz castled queenside. Pawn to h8, queen. Well, white is better materially, but it is not finished yet. Black king is safer than white king. d3. c takes on d3. Knight from g to e7, discovered attack on the queen. Queen to f6. Queen to d7, threatening. Queen takes pawn on d3. Rook to h8, intending to exchange rooks. Queen takes on d3. Rook takes rook, check. King takes on d8. White to move. Perhaps queen takes pawn on f7 comes to mind. Saric had a different plan. Queen to h8, check. King to c7. Queen to h3. Following the rule, when ahead in material, exchange queens. Queen to e4. Queen to e3. Queen to h7. Knight takes on c3, knight to f5, attacking the queen. Queen to h3, queen to g7, bishop to e3, f6. White played a move and black resigned. Saric played bishop to d3. Elisabeth Paehtz resigned. For the entertainment purpose, I will show you just one line. Knight takes on e3. Knight to b5, check. King to b8, queen takes on e3. F takes on e5, castling queenside. Queen takes on g2, bishop to e4. Queen to g7, bishop takes on c6. Bishop takes on c6, queen to c3. Bishop takes a free knight. And how would you continue now? White to move and to checkmate into. First move. Rook to d8, check. King to b7. white to move and to checkmate in one, and the move is queen to c8, checkmate. Nicely played game by Ivan Saric. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.